Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today, we're going to show you the best free remote desktop software for Windows 10. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now, let's get right into it. Today, we're going to explore the best free remote desktop software for Windows 10. Remote desktop software allows you to access and control a computer from a different location, making it convenient for remote work, technical support, or accessing your home computer while away. In this tutorial, we will discuss some of the top free options available in Windows 10. These software solutions offer reliable remote desktop access, easy setup, and range of features to enhance your remote working experience. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a better understanding of the best free remote desktop software and how to get started with them. So, let's get started. Now, the first software or application that we are going to look at right now is called TeamViewer. TeamViewer is a popular remote desktop software that allows users to access and control a computer or device remotely from another location. It is widely used for its various purposes such as remote technical support, online meeting, file sharing, and collaboration. With TeamViewer, you can connect to another computer or any device over the internet and take control of it as if you are sitting right in front of it. It offers cross-platform compatibility, meaning you can connect between different operating systems like Windows 10, macOS, Linux, Android, and iOS. As you can see here, we're going to check out their homepage and we will be able to see what their software offers. As you can see here, like I said earlier, they offer remote access and work. You could work from anywhere with full access to any devices. You could remote support. You could instant remote support for IT professionals and teams. You could also have mobile device support, wherein you will be able to support any mobile device from any place and anytime. It is currently being used by hundreds of millions of users, and there are over 20 million devices being connected, 2.5 billion downloads, and an average of 99.99% uptime. You will be able to download this application for free by clicking this button over here or clicking this button on the top right. Now, there are plans and payments for this specific app. As you can see here, for more features, you would need to pay TeamViewer monthly or yearly depending on how you would like your plan to proceed. Of course, there is a free edition. Just like I said earlier, you would be able to try it and you would be able to get a free business trial, which is 14 days. But over here, as you can see, for single-use users, TeamViewer Remote Access will cost you 649 peso in my country, but it would cost more than $10 for USD. As you can see here, for the business value, for the TeamViewer business version, it is 1,490 peso. And as you can see here, these are the different features available. It includes 1 licensed user, 1 concurrent connection, 3 managed devices, unlimited devices to connect from, 3 computers to connect to, 3 concurrent sessions per concurrent. For the TeamViewer business, you would be able to have a tech support via phone over here. As you can see here also, as we scroll down, you would be able to see the difference between the two plans. You would be able to grant access management, 256-bit trusted devices, two-factor authentication, and all of this different feature that you have over here, such as platform coverage, remote access and remote work, remote administration and support, user and device management, software integration, and service over here. If you would like to buy a plan, you can simply click on Buy Now, and you would be able to buy your specific plan for your TeamViewer. As you can see here also, it is the most powerful solution on the market and works even with low bandwidth over here. Now moving on, we will check out this other application called GetScreenMe. GetScreenMe, as you can see here, is also a cloud-based software for administration and technical support and remote work over here. You would be able to use this freely for up to 2 devices. There is no installation required, but you would need to download it for quick access. And this is like an alternative for TeamViewer, as you can see here. You would be able to download this by clicking this button over here, and you would be able to sign up over here for advanced users, which we will check out later. As you can see, it also offers a network administration. There's a single control center, automated continuous access, simulation connection recording, wake on LAN. There's also technical support and remote work over here. Scrolling down, you would be able to select a server that you would like to set up your remote access. You could set it up on cloud version over here, which is more optimized network infrastructure covering all regions of the world. It has automatic updates and early access to new features, suitable for small and business-sized businesses. Or you could have the self-hosted version over here, which allows you maximum control over the network infrastructure and data, ability to connect within local networks without internet connection, and suitable for medium and large businesses. You could also edit your plan for the specific application. As you can see here, you can customize your plan. You could choose how many operator will work in the system, and as you increase this and as you change your different information over here, the plan over here would also change, as you can see. For example, we could set it to 5 operators will work in the system. The number of computers with permanent access, we could change it to 50. If you would like to have the connections by invitation, you could type in yes or no. The number of invitations is unlimited. Or do you want to use your own logo name over here also? It would include a personal domain, of course. And as you can see here, you could choose the plan with options that you want. For the standard, you would be able to transfer 4 gigabytes of data. You could have 5 gigabytes of screen recording, wake on LAN, black screen. The HTTP API, single sign-in on, and group permission is not available for the standard plan. But as you can see here, the subscription rate for the standard plan is $30 per month, $300 per year, and you could also check out the self-hosted version over here, but you would need to request a demo over here. You would be able to use this for free by clicking on request a trial over here so that you would be able to test this out. You can also check out for the advanced option. As you can see, the HTTP API is now for 5,000 requests per hour over here, depending on the number of devices. It would be for $47.5 per month or $475 per year over here. You could also check out the enterprise, which will allow you to use all of these features with no restriction on the file transfer and 25 gigabytes of video recording, depending on the number of users. And it is $60 per month for this version and $600 per year. We're going to check out our sign up section over here, which is this section, which would allow you to have more advanced features that you would be able to access. As you can see here, we have permanent access. You can install the agent program on the remote computer, specify your account in the program, then the button for connection to the computer will appear on this page where I am looking at right now, and you would be able to control the remote computers as if it was in front of us. You could also check out the quick support over here, branding, team integration, connection history, settings, and audit log over here. Right now, I am currently using the free version, so it is absolutely for free. You would be able to use this, but some of the different features will not be available. Now moving on, we have AnyDesk over here. AnyDesk is a remote desktop software that allows users to access and control a computer or device remotely from another location. It enables remote access and collaboration, making it useful for various purposes such as remote work, technical support, and file sharing. You can connect to a remote computer or a device over the internet and view its screen in real time. You can also control the remote device as if it was physically present in my location. Just like the other remote desktop software, it will be able to do the same thing, so let's check it out. As you can see here, AnyDesk fits your need. It can run in cloud or on-premise over here, similar to GetScreen over here. You could have full mobile support. You can access controls over desktop, servers, machine, and device via smartphone or tablet over here. It is also flexible and customizable. You could create your own version of AnyDesk and fit it into your individual needs. We could check out their plans over here. For their plan, for their solo, it is going to cost you $12 or $13 per month. And this is set for single-person companies over here. As you can see, there is 1 licensed users with 3 login devices, 1 outgoing connection, up to 100 managed devices, unattended access, and unlimited devices to connect to, interactive access, featured set for individuals, mobile device support, and for the standard over here, it's going to cost you $26, and there will be more features and inclusions available for this specific plan. And for the advanced, which is $68, it will have even more. As you can see here, it will have 100 licensed users in a team. You can also check out what it will be available for the free. As you can see here, for the free version, you will be able to use the mobile device support. You will have 3 managed devices. You won't have managed devices. You would have switch side session, but you will have file transfer. On file transfer, you wouldn't have remote restart, but you would have remote printing. You will be able to use one TCP tunneling account, but you will not be able to access Wake on LAN over here. There's all of these features over here. You can simply visit this website if you would like to try this out, and you should explore it on your own. Now moving on, we could check out our Imperius remote control over here. Imperius Remote is an unlimited remote device and unlimited users. It has file transfer and folder transfer. It has unattended remote access without user intervention. There's end-to-end encryption. There's remote printing and session recording. Remote control of Android devices. You can simply download this for free by clicking this button over here. It is free for private and non-commercial use. And you could also compare them by clicking this button over here so that you would be able to see the price or the plan difference for each, as you can see here. We're going to check that out in a bit. Over here, you can have remote access, as you can see here, work from home, file transfer and folder transfer, and have unattended access. It is simple and portable. It is shareable, the list of computer and contacts, there's operators and access permissions, detailed statistics, end-to-end encryption, and many more features. As you can see here, for monthly, you will have to pay €9, then for the medium, €20, and for the professional, €50 over here. And as you can see, almost all of this plan has unlimited number of devices, remote devices, operator accounts, and number of devices in the address book over here. And there are only minor differences, as you can see. For the small one, you won't be able to have corporate rebranding included. Now moving on, we can check out AnyViewer over here. AnyViewer, like the others, is an access control remote, desktop, laptop from any devices and anywhere for support and work at home. There will be quick support for remote location, secure remote access to work computer, file transfer between 2 remote computers. It also supports mobile devices, control PC with phone and iPad. AnyViewer is the right one for you, as they say over here. It is strong end-to-end encryption. They have quick and stable connection, and it is very easy to install and operate over here. We could check out their plans by clicking on the pricing over here. You would be redirected to this section. As you can see, for the free version, you will be able to have high speed, 2 channels, 2 simultaneous sessions, 3 assigned devices, 10 managed devices. You will have business hour support, unattended access, multi-monitor switch, iOS, Android device support, file transfer, text chat, in-session shortcut of operator. And it is very good because even though it's free, you will be able to access a lot of features. Unlike the others, wherein you will be able to only use free trial and you will be able to access a lot of different features. For the professional, you will need to pay $4.16 per month. And for the enterprise, you will need to pay $16.58 per month. For this is for yearly plan. For the monthly, it will be $10. And for this one, enterprise, it will be $30 over here. And that's it, guys. And those are the best remote access for your desktop in Windows 10. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.